guys, so today I'll be showing you guys how I did this really cute style on this wig. This was for Easter, so yeah. If you are new here, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button to become part of the lovelies. If you are my old time subscribers, what is up? What it do? How you are? I love you. Okay, so first off, I started by going through and putting Got to Be this is the water resistant glue. I used it all over the edges of my hair to slick and lay them back so that they would not get, snatched out or whatever. Okay, so here I'm just scratching out the cap to make it, more transparent or whatever. And then I'm going to go through and I'm going to cut out the ears and then we're going to spray it around to make it stay. And then we're going to add makeup, the ball cap method. Okay, and you know, you gotta make sure you wipe off all of that excess gel, glue, and makeup. So please take you either an alcohol wipe or some alcohol on a napkin, rag, whatever, and get that excess off. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my trusted Ghost Spun glue. This is the main glue that I use, the only one that I know is tried and true, okay? But it was like literally the bare minimum in there that I scraped out and around for the first layer. So for the second layer, I use Erica J's holding down glue. Yeah. Okay, y'all. Now, for some reason, I do not know why, it was so hard for me to put this wig on. Probably because I put the glue up there and then I tried to put the wig on. But in my defense, I have not put a wig on in forever. So usually what I like to do is put the wig on first, place it, and then put the glue down on the outline. But that is not the case right here. So please make sure you plan accordingly, okay? So I just go through and I do that, and then scrap it down with a little tie thingy. Okay, so this is the next morning because this is Easter Sunday, so I wanted my curls to be fresh. So I did go through and I did go and curl throughout my whole head, and I also added layers to the front to make the curls prettier and pop. Even though one side turned out better than the other, it was still cute in the end. But that is all for this video, so I do hope that you guys enjoy. Please do not forget to hit the like button, comment down below what you guys would like to see next, and most of all, please 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 subscribe and share this video with others. I will be doing a giveaway soon, so I'm also excited for 104 subscribers. But I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.